Are you grappling with the challenge of managing numerous tools for content creation and promotion, struggling to seamlessly integrate them into your business operations? Do you find yourself exhausted from juggling between different platforms to meet your marketing needs, wasting precious time and resources? Are you in search of a unified solution that can streamline your entire digital marketing workflow, simplifying tasks such as URL shortening and analytics tracking? Would you like to alleviate the complexities associated with managing multiple software platforms and embrace a more efficient approach to content creation and promotion? Introducing EliteAISuite. EliteAISuite is a comprehensive solution to pressing challenges in today's digital landscape. With the proliferation of social media platforms and the increasing demand for high-quality content, businesses need to adapt to remain competitive. EliteAISuite offers a unique approach by combining over 125 web tools into a single user-friendly platform. Say goodbye to managing multiple freelancers and complex software installations. By streamlining content creation, publication, and promotion, EliteAISuite empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age. Its built-in AI technologies revolutionize content generation, allowing for stunning graphics, captivating voiceovers, and compelling written content, all from a single dashboard. This eliminates the need for costly freelancers and reduces the time and resources required to produce high-quality content. Furthermore, EliteAISuite simplifies AI integration into business operations with its intuitive interface and comprehensive training resources. The commercial license of EliteAISuite opens up opportunities for businesses to capitalize on emerging trends and tap into lucrative markets. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a budding entrepreneur, or a small business owner, EliteAISuite offers the tools and resources needed for success. With EliteAISuite, you can effortlessly generate custom QR codes to enhance your marketing efforts. Additionally, you can create bio pages to showcase your brand and streamline social media promotion. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple tools. EliteAISuite simplifies your digital marketing workflow and increases productivity. In conclusion, EliteAISuite addresses pressing challenges by streamlining content creation, simplifying AI integration, and providing comprehensive support. Say goodbye to stress and inefficiency with EliteAISuite. Click below to experience streamlined operations, increased productivity, and endless possibilities for your business.